While everyone's throwing money at VOO and SCHD, I found 6 ETFs that could literally double your wealth faster. The problem? 99% of investors are following the same crowded playbook, buying the same popular funds that everyone talks about on YouTube and Reddit. Today, I'm revealing 6 under-the-radar ETFs that Wall Street professionals quietly use to build serious wealth. Stay till the end, because I'll show you which one returned 18% while SCHD managed only 12% over the same period. Last year, while my friends complained about their safe VOO returns barely keeping up with inflation, I stumbled upon these hidden gems through deep market research that most retail investors never bother to do. We're going to break these into 3 wealth-building categories that most people completely ignore: stealth broad market funds, dividend dynasty builders, and growth monsters that could transform your portfolio. Comment which category excites you most, because I want to know what you're focused on right now. Let's start with the stealth broad market kings that nobody talks about, but could be the foundation of your wealth. Meet SCHB, the ETF that tracks 2,400 companies for less than the cost of a cup of coffee per $10,000 invested. This is the Charles Schwab US Broad Market ETF. And here's what's absolutely mind-blowing about it. You get the same 0.03% expense ratio as VOO, but each share costs only $23 instead of VOO's $580. Think about that for a second. You're getting 2,400 holdings compared to VOO's 500, which means 4 times more diversification for a fraction of the entry cost. Imagine owning nearly the entire US stock market for the price of a dinner out. SCHB tracks the Dow Jones US Broad Market Index, giving you exposure to everything from mega-cap giants to small-cap growth stories. The performance is nearly identical to VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, but with better accessibility for new investors. With a dividend yield of 1.27%, you're not getting rich from dividends alone, but that's not the point. This is about broad market exposure that sets the foundation for everything else we're going to discuss. Now let's talk about SPLG, the S&P 500 tracker that's beating VOO at its own game. This spider S&P 500 ETF has a 0.02% expense ratio, which is 33% cheaper than VOO's 0.03%. On a $100,000 investment, you save $100 annually compared to VOO, and over decades, that compounds into serious money. The share price sits around $69 compared to VOO's $580 price tag, making it incredibly accessible for dollar-cost averaging. Here's what most people don't realize about SPLG. It tracks the exact same 500 companies as VOO with virtually identical performance, but costs less and requires less capital to get started. The dividend yield is slightly higher at 1.3%, and you're getting the same exposure to America's largest companies. Why pay more for the same thing? SPLG should be on every investor's radar who wants S&P 500 exposure without the premium price tag. Moving into our second category, the dividend dynasty builders that could revolutionize how you think about income investing. Everyone worships SCHD like it's the holy grail of dividend ETFs, but DGRO, the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, is quietly crushing it in performance. Over the last 3 years, DGRO returned 9.96% annually, while SCHD managed only 4.74%. That's nearly double the performance, and here's why this matters more than you think. DGRO focuses on dividend growth rather than just high current yield. With a 2.25% yield, it might seem low compared to SCHD's 3.9%, but the dividend growth rate tells the real story. Over the last 10 years, DGRO's dividends grew at 12.53% annually compared to SCHD's 11.3%. This means your income stream is growing faster than inflation, and your total returns are significantly higher. The expense ratio is only 0.08%, and at $62 per share, it's accessible for most investors. If you're looking for a dividend ETF that actually grows your wealth instead of just paying you to wait, DGRO deserves serious consideration. But here's where things get really interesting. FDVV, The Fidelity High Dividend ETF is a dividend fund with tech DNA that sounds impossible but delivers incredible results. This fund returned 18% annually over the last 5 years while maintaining a 3% dividend yield. Compare that to SCHD's 12.83% returns over the same period, and you're looking at a $60,000 difference on a $100,000 investment over 5 years. The secret sauce is FDVV's focus on high dividend-paying technology companies and other growth sectors that traditional dividend funds avoid. With 122 holdings and a 0.16% expense ratio, it's slightly more expensive than our other picks, but the performance justifies every penny. At $50 per share, it's accessible to any investor, and the 3% yield means you're getting paid while your investment grows at tech-like rates. This is what happens when dividend investing meets growth strategy. Now we're entering the growth monster territory where serious wealth gets built. XLK, the Technology Select Sector SPDR ETF, is the QQQ killer that matches the performance for half the management headache. Over the last 10 years, XLK delivered 19.51% annual returns, putting it in elite company with the best growth ETFs available. At $231 per share compared to VGT's $600 plus price tag, XLK offers pure tech exposure without the premium entry cost. With 72 concentrated holdings focusing on the biggest names in technology, you're getting Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and other tech giants that drive market performance. The 0.08% expense ratio means you keep more of your returns, and the concentrated approach means you're not diluted by lesser performers. If you want tech exposure that could accelerate your wealth building, XLK delivers the goods without the complexity of trying to pick individual tech stocks. Our final growth monster is SCHG, the Charles Schwab Large Cap Growth ETF, that nobody talks about, but everyone should own. This sleeper hit delivered 17% annual returns over 13 years, proving that consistent performance beats flashy marketing every time. At $27 per share with a 0.04% expense ratio, SCHG offers growth investing at its most accessible. With 228 holdings of America's fastest-growing large companies, you get diversified growth exposure without the concentration risk of pure tech funds. The holdings include familiar names like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and Meta, but spread across multiple growth sectors. This is growth investing for people who want wealth building without losing sleep over volatility. The long-term track record speaks for itself, and the low-cost structure means more money stays in your pocket. Here's how to combine these 6 ETFs for maximum wealth building impact. Start with either SCHB or SPLG as your broad market foundation, representing 40 to 50% of your portfolio. Add DGRO or FDVV for dividend growth exposure, targeting 20 to 30% allocation depending on your income needs. Finally, use XLK or SCHG for growth acceleration, with the remaining 20 to 30% focused on wealth multiplication over time. The beauty of this approach is risk management through diversification across different investment styles while maintaining growth potential. Your broad market exposure provides stability, your dividend growth funds provide income that increases over time, and your growth funds provide the acceleration needed to build serious wealth. The 10-year wealth multiplication effect comes from letting each category do what it does best while working together toward your financial goals. Which ETF shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments because I want to know what resonated with your investment strategy. Want my exact portfolio allocation using these funds? Hit subscribe if you want more hidden gems like these that could transform your financial future. While others follow the crowd into overpriced, overhyped funds, you'll be building real wealth with these stealth ETFs that actually deliver results. I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into advanced portfolio construction strategies. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.